The weather now, another clear, comfortable night as we look out live over the Inner Harbor on this Monday night. But get ready for a change in the weather. Temperatures set to tumble in a big way now. First Alert Weather Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley joining us. And Derek, there's a chance we could see an alert day this week.
Yeah, we're looking at the possibility of Wednesday morning for an alert day just because it could slow down the morning commute a little bit. And that's where we're expecting most of the rain across our area. But it was another beautiful afternoon here on your Monday after a stellar weekend. Temperatures still pretty mild even at this hour. We've got some mid-60s, some low 60s. Looks like one of the cool spots, West Friendship right now at 63 degrees, 69 for the Inner Harbor, 70 out towards Rosedale and Dundalk, and across the rest of the state, 60s, 70s, pretty common numbers across the area. But I want to turn your attention to the clouds that are thickening through western Maryland. And all this rain that we see out to the west here, there's a cold front that's back towards Chicago right now. And that front is going to push through our area later tomorrow night and into Wednesday. And that's what's going to give us a pretty decent chance for rain across our area. So again, tomorrow morning, some patchy fog, mostly clear skies, temps around 60. Highs tomorrow, once again, around 80. But it will be the last day of 80-degree temperatures for maybe for the rest of the season. We're going to talk more about that cool down as well as time that chance for rain for you on your Wednesday morning. That's all coming up in just a few minutes. Rick, we'll send it back over to you. All right, thanks, Rick. As we take a look at your forecast for your Tuesday, one more dry day with warm afternoon temperatures near 80 degrees. And then we've got some cooler weather on the way as well as some much needed rainfall. It looks like we could see rain as early as this time tomorrow night, but it looks like it's more likely overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. But again, not as cool tonight. Temperatures only dipping to around 60 degrees for most locations. Kind of a sign of things to come as a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere helping to keep the temperatures a bit warmer here overnight tonight. Same thing for tomorrow night. We've got many locations now near 70. Middle River is still at 70 degrees. Pasadena 66. Out towards Sykesville at 63 degrees. And again, across the state, more of the same, 60s and 70s. So a nice mild evening and overnight across our area, at least compared to where it's been. We've had lows in the 40s and 50s lately. It looks like overnight tonight will be a little bit warmer. Staying mostly clear, but then you'll notice the clouds will thicken as the day goes on tomorrow. We're already starting to see some of those clouds make their way into western Maryland, but the rain's not far behind. Moving into parts of West Virginia now, Ohio, out towards really the entire Ohio Valley, dealing with some scattered light showers from Cincinnati down to Louisville. It does look like the front is still hanging way back here, and the front eventually is going to be tracking into our region here, it looks like, as we go into Wednesday morning, and that's when I think we'll see our highest chances for rain. Now, as far as tomorrow is concerned, looks like the day will be dry. We're still going to see a fair amount of sunshine, but the clouds will thicken as the day goes on, and then any chance for rain tomorrow is likely going to be in western Maryland during the afternoon, but we'll see some of that rain try to make its way eastward here as we go into the evening hours. But as you can see, there's the rain here on Futurecast. Gets a little bit closer to the area coming up on Wednesday. Wednesday morning, it will likely be a slow morning commute, but then that should move out pretty quickly. And then after that, we got those cooler temperatures on the way here to close out the work week. All right, here's your First Alert 7-day forecast. Alert day tomorrow, alert day, I should say, for Wednesday morning. Tomorrow looks dry, but alert day possible for Wednesday morning due to the slow commute. Not expecting anything heavy or severe, just a slow morning commute here for your Wednesday morning, and then cool, crisp here for the end of the week, highs in the 60s, and the possibility of more rain with a coastal low pressure here by the weekend. Alex.